everyone, McKenna Fenney here, Realtor with the Plowman team, and I'm super excited to introduce you to our newest home for sale. 120 Nonquon, Unit 131 is calling you first-time home buyers. This is the opportunity that you have to get your foot into the market. And let's get jumping through this property because you have a lot to see. What some of these awesome features that this home has is, of course, you get your own private backyard. A lot of condos don't really have that, and this gives you the opportunity to do so. Not only that, you have a formal living area and a rec room in the basement, which is pretty awesome. You have 2 different living spaces, and especially if you have kids, you know that you need an extra space for that. And an eat-in area for you to enjoy your dinners, 3 bedrooms, and of course the shared bathroom. The location of this property is dynamite. You're surrounded by many different amenities, transportation, schools, great features in regard to walking distance. Come on and come check it out. Thanks so much for kicking it with me to the end of this video. If you're interested in more awesome home tours just like this, don't forget to subscribe and call the number above if you're interested in your own personal home tour. Because of course, we know how to get you through this property and show you every little aspect that there is. We're the #1 team in Durham, so give us a shout. We'll see you next time.